Introducing a multi-port power hub with 4 USB ports and 4 AC outlets, designed to cut down on clutter. Hello and welcome to FMRevu. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson, and today I will bring my loyal viewers an in-depth look at the ONA 4-port USB charging power hub, model number ONA-18H0014. Inside the box is the power hub and a paper product guide that lists warranty information, instructions for use, specifications, caution warnings, troubleshooting steps, and technical support details. The listed specs for the power hub include 8 outlets, 4 are AC and 4 are USB, electrical ratings, USB charger ratings, circuit breaker amp ratings, operating temperatures, maximum operation elevation, and this was bought at Walmart for $17. And now let's take a closer look at the hub. The outer shell color is white and it has a silver round braided cable. This helps reduce tangle and adds a touch of neatness with cable management. This cord is 8 foot in length, which is an added bonus for distance when using. The top of the hub includes a total of 8 power ports. 4 are AC power and 4 are USB, allowing for maximum convenience with modern electronics and accessories. One corner of the roundish, squarish hub has a master on-off power switch used to completely shut down all ports if you wanted to conserve energy and save on electricity bills. The outer shell is hard, durable ABS plastic and has a slim, low-profile design, making it easy to place behind furniture, shelves, or electronic components like TVs, receivers, or game consoles. The back side of the hub has 2 holes for wall mounting in case you want the option to go for a neat out-of-sight placement. The 3-prong wall plug has a slim design with downturned cable management, again making for easy use behind furniture. Overall, this power hub seems to be designed for compact use and neatness. I got this hub to use in my shelf to power my TV, Xbox, router, and tablet, along with a couple cell phones. The compact design will help with clutter and allow for a neater arrangement. I have another similar hub with RGB lights, however it malfunctioned and the USB ports stopped working. The AC ports are still in good shape, so I will use it in another spot. As you can tell, my shelf looks messy, and with a little time and cleaning, I plan to tidy up and organize it. After moving a few things around, I finally have my shelf the way I want it, and I found that this is another highly recommended item from FMRevu. Thank you for watching this presentation of FMRevu. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to keep more awesome free content coming your way. And now laugh a little with some outtakes.
3, 2, 1, action!
The listed specs for the power hub include 4 outlets, electrical ratings, USB charger ratings, circuit breaker, maximum, man, oh man. Alright, let me just start this whole section over. The listed specs for the power hub include